Next part. This is very easy. Transformation. We kind of have to do that for every parent function. Okay, f of x equals. What do we always start with on our transformation?
Left and right.
The equation, sorry. A. Okay, and then what is the parent function for logs? Log. Okay, and then let's just say it's base b, so just any base. And then what do we have? X, good, but this time we have an over c because now we are better and wiser in our second year of doing this. We have horizontal stuff. And then what's going on? What's going to happen after that? Minus
K.
H. And then plus K. All right, really quick. Let's have you guys do 1, 2, 3, 4. Identify the transformations. Let's start with Philip. Number 1. Left 2. Okay, Jingyi, you get the hard one. Reflect y-axis and then not left 3, right 3. So the order matters on this one. If you flip over at y-axis first, then you have to go right. If you want to go left first, you can go left first and then flip over y-axis. Daniel, you can keep drinking your water. He's like, what?
So
if you,
If I wrote 3 right and reflect by y, it's going to be 1 because of the order.
correct. The graph is like this. It is right 3. So,
Wait, so which way can you do it? Yeah.
okay, you can do reflect y-axis first and then right 3, or you can go left 3 first and then reflect y-axis.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, Wimbo, number 3.
Vertical stretch by 3.
Good. Peter, number 4. Good. Okay, we are gonna do half of 3.4 today. Very easy, just practicing on how to expand and simplify. So we are gonna use the log rules to do this. Number 1, log of 8x y to the 4th. Anytime you have something that's multiplied together, that is how many plus signs you're gonna have. Okay, so we can expand this. Log of 8 plus log of x plus log of y to the 4th. Can I simplify this more? Yes. What can I do? 4 log y. Okay, log 8 plus log x plus 4 log y. Can I simplify this more? Yes, I can. But where? 3 log 2. Okay, 8 can be simplified to 2 to the 3rd. So log of 2 to the 3rd plus log x plus 4 log y, and that 3 goes in the front. 3 log 2 plus log x plus 4 log y. Can I do some more? No, you can't do any more unless you want to go crazy and do log 2 plus log 2 plus log 2 and then log y 4 times. That would just be too much. So no, just leave it like that. This is it. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Number 2. Natural log of square root x squared plus 5 over x. Anytime you see a radical, always change it to fraction. It's just much easier to work with. Natural log x squared plus 5 to the 1/2 over x. What should I do?
Change it to subtract.
Change to subtract. How do I do that?
Like the top minus bottom.
Top minus bottom. Okay, tell me what to write. Natural log x squared plus 5. Half. half?
Square root, square root, square root.
Square root. Yeah, 2 to the 1/2.
Minus.
Hold on. Let's do the minus first, and then what?
Minus.
X.
Natural log x.
Natural log x. Okay, so please be careful. It's minus natural log x, not just minus x. All right, what's next?
Put the 1/2 in front.
Put the 1/2 in the front. Can I do some more?
Yes.
Wait. Can I ask another question?
X squared. Oh,
No,
like
no,
the,
can I ask another question?
Oh, all right. So this is why I'm trying to trick you. A lot of people want to distribute. We love distributing. We cannot. Okay, you can only distribute things that is a variable or a constant. Natural log is a function like sine or cosine or like square roots. Those are functions. You can't distribute functions. Yeah.
Can you do like that? Could it be like natural log x squared times natural log 5?
Oh, another thing people do. That's wrong. Okay, so a lot of people do this, natural log, and then just do x squared times 5. You realize you just changed the whole problem, right? Oh, okay. You meant like this.
Yeah.
Yes, that is also not okay. So you cannot do that. That is not one of the rules. So please be careful. It's just common mistakes people make.
so this is the final.
Yes, this is the final answer. Okay, please be careful with how to exactly use the rules, okay? The rules look similar to things you want to always apply, but not all the time, so be careful. Last one. This one, we are going to simplify into 1 log. Simplify into 1 log.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, how do I simplify this into 1 log?
Put the 2 in the natural log.
Put the 2
Important fraction, like in the denominator.
in the denominator, like 1/2?
Like not the 2, but the x, y.
No, I don't.
Natural log
He's
x
doing the
y squared.
Oh, you want to do like this?
I don't know where to put the 2, but
Yeah, you don't know where to put the 2. So we have to solve this 2 problem first. The 2 needs to go first.
Natural log x y squared. Wait,
Square? Yes. How?
square x y parentheses.
Yes. The whole thing has to be square. Please make sure the whole thing is square. Everything inside the natural log has to be square. Okay, so kind of a side note. If you see something like this, 2 natural log x plus y. How do I change this to an exponent?
Squared x plus y.
Square the x plus y, okay? Is this the same as this?
No.
Oh, okay. Foil, okay? So, yes, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. But you gotta remember, you do put the 2 as an exponent to everything inside the log. All right, and then that's always kind of the first thing you do. Okay, so this is natural log x to the 5th minus natural log xy squared.
Put the x y squared onto the x.
Okay, what's next?
Natural log x to the 5th over x y squared.
Yes, okay. Now I'm gonna again tell you what things people always do wrong. People always do this. Okay, that is wrong. It's not another log in the denominator. You're combining it into 1 log. Okay, so we cannot do that.
Natural log x to the 5th over
X y squared.
X squared, y squared, and then we just want to simplify that. X natural log x cubed over y squared. Okay, so things that people usually do wrong. Common mistakes. Okay, so we're going to do a whole worksheet to practice this. But the first thing the next thing we're going to do is change of base. So hopefully you remember some of it from last year. Change of base. So it says, if you have a log of some base of x, you can change it so that they have the same common base. you put x on the top and then b on the bottom. This is more because your calculator usually cannot do an evaluation with some base that's not 10 or e. But most of the TIs, the newer ones now, you can change the base. It's actually in the calculator itself. But let's say that you just need to know how to do it. Okay.
Show us how to change the base.
Yeah, on your calculator, if I can find it. Some students just find it themselves. So then they're just like, Miss Young, yes, my calculator can do it. I'm like, good for you. Okay, we're going to evaluate log base 4 of 7. So usually we cannot do that because the calculator doesn't have any base besides 10 and e. It doesn't have log, it just has log and ln. So to evaluate this, we use change of base. Let's say that I want to use log 10 base. Then I just do log 7 over log 4. Maybe we'll go into a proof some other day, but not right now. Okay. I can also change it to natural log 7 over natural log 4. I can also change it to log base 2 of 7 over log base 2 of 4. Okay, no matter what I do, I will get the same answer as long as I do the same log on top and bottom. Does that make sense? Yeah? Good? Okay. So let's go ahead and have you calculate the number. So take out your calculator and figure out what is log base 4 of 7. What is your answer? 036, 404. All right. Let's have you practice 1 and 2. Yeah?
I found it.
Good. Yeah, someone always finds it. Yeah.
Do you want me to like?
Sure.
Okay.
Where is it?
So,
Only the new models have it. Like mine is really old.
yeah,
It's not
who
gonna.
has this one? This is what like. Yeah. Okay.
I think some of these ones have it too.
Okay,
The ones
so
that's silver.
Go to math, and then you like scroll all the way down, and you see like a capital A with an arrow pointing down, and it says
Oh.
log base.
Mm.
And then
Yeah.
click that, and you can do like 5, and then like 5. Yeah. So just go to math.
Did you guys check it?
All the way down.
She's telling us how to do change of base on the calculator without doing change of base.
And then.
You can't what? Oh,
Uh-huh.
math. She says scroll all the way down.
Sure. I'm like, this will help.
Math. Scroll all the way down to 8, and then see here.
log base, yeah.
Yeah. Enter.
Yeah, that is. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Wait.
log base
Yeah. A.
entry.
Enter.
Log base
Oh,
entry.
Yeah. Now you can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 83.
Oh.
Yeah. But I mean, obviously, if you just know how to do change of base, it's the same number anyways. All right, so let's have you practice 1 and 2. Okay, number 1, the answer is 1.893. Number 2 is 0.565.